In this video, how to get Lego creation ideas. So you are watching this video because you want to learn how to get Lego creation ideas. And I'm going to explain the 3 ways that you can get Lego creation ideas. So one way to get Lego creation ideas is by searching on your preferred browser and going to the search bar and searching for what you actually want to build. So for example, if I want to build a Lego robot mech, I will search on my preferred browser, which is Google. I will go on the search bar and I would type in Lego robot mech, and then I would click on the images tab. I will look at all the pictures of Lego robot mechs, and then I choose whichever one I want, and then I will basically use it as a reference to the picture for me to build that Lego robot mech. The second way to get Lego creation ideas is to look at real life objects like power lines, any building, anything that is a real world object. I would go with power lines because the power lines are real life objects and they can be seen everywhere. I would build my Lego creation to be based off of power lines. Final way to get Lego creation ideas is anything you see in movies, cartoons, and TV shows. So let's say I'm watching the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles TV show, and I see the Shell Raiser, and I will build the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shell Raiser. So you can even get Lego creation ideas by anything you see in movies, TV shows, or any cartoons. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos and live streams here on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you share this with your friends. And I'll see you next time.